3025 ceramic cutting machine. Installation tutorial. View accessories. Handle mounting. Align the hole and screw it on. Install the other side. Roller mounting. The bearing has a raised face facing out. Put in the spacer. The bearing has a raised face facing out. Align the hole and screw it on. Install the other side roller. Ruler installation. Unscrew all 3 screws of the ruler. Align the hole and tighten the screws. Do not tighten. Install the other side ruler. Install black ruler. Hole alignment. Black facing up. Turn on the alignment hole. Install the other side. Tighten the screw fixing ruler. The ruler is installed. Install the diagonal. Install the laser. Just tighten the screws and install the battery. Installation complete with cutting tiles. The cutting is completed and the storage machine is completed.